Hello everybody! In this video I will show you a new feature on my programming contest website PythonCode.Club. The feature is that you can now win prize money from the contests. The prize money is awarded in the form of the Monero cryptocurrency. I will now demonstrate this feature. You start by finding the contest that you want to participate in the contest list. By the way, there is also an RSS feed for contests, so you can get information about new contests in your favorite RSS reader. When it's time for your contest, you just click on it and wait for it to start. Now it's up to you to solve the problem as fast as possible. It is usually a good idea to test your solution with the example test cases before submitting. An incorrect submission gives you a penalty that will rank you after people without any penalty. You can check the scoreboard to see how you currently stack up against other competitors. If you want prize money, it will be transferred to your account a short time after the contest has finished. Go to Profile Settings, Prize Payouts to check your current balance. To get your money into your own Monero wallet, you obviously need to create your wallet using a wallet program. You can download Monero wallet programs from the Monero website. I'm using the command line wallet, but I recommend the GUI wallet for beginners. From your wallet program, you can generate a new address for transferring your Monero from PythonCode.Club. Copy this address and paste it into the prize payout page on PythonCode.Club and press Payout. Due to the nature of blockchain technology, it might take a few minutes until you can see the money in your own wallet. Here is why you should try Python Code Club's contests now. Be one of the first to try something new and have a chance to give impactful feedback. Also, very few people know about the site, so you have a good chance of winning the prize money. Some exciting new features in the pipeline are a ranking system, private leaderboards, and multi-problem contests. Feedback and suggestions are very welcome, either directly on PythonCode.Club or in the comments section. Don't forget that you have the chance to be among the first to win Monero through coding. Thanks for watching.